Now we have a reaction coming in from the Congress party as well. Congress party has decided to politicize this particular matter, this big revelation that has been made by the Deputy Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Rahul Singh. Let me go across to my colleague Sagrika joining us live right now from the newsroom. Sagrika, over to you. Tell us what Mr. Jairam Ramesh of the Congress has to say.
Hina, moments ago, Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party has posted on social media platform X with regards to what the Deputy Chief of Army Staff said. He says, and I quote from his post, the Deputy Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Rahul R. Singh, has just publicly confirmed what has been talked about ever since Operation Sindoor was halted abruptly at the intervention of President Trump. Lieutenant General Singh has revealed some details of the extraordinary ways by which China helped the Pakistan Air Force. This is the same China which completely destroyed the status quo in Ladakh 5 years ago, but to which Prime Minister Modi gave a public clean chit on the 19th of June 2020. Then he goes on to add that for 5 years, the Congress has been demanding a discussion on the full gamut of India-China relations in the Parliament. The Modi government has consistently refused to have such a debate. The Congress will continue to make this demand in the forthcoming monsoon session of Parliament, scheduled to commence on the 21st of July. The Modi government must agree at least now so that a consensus can be built for a collective response to the geopolitical and economic challenges that China poses to India directly and through Pakistan. Recently, China organized a trilateral meeting with Pakistan and Bangladesh in Kunming. India's trade deficit with China is at record high. The border agreement arrived at is not a restoration of status quo. So it is the Congress party now which is latching onto the claims of the Deputy Chief of Army Staff to raise questions and to target the Modi government.
All right. Thank you very much, Sagrika. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs. Thank you, Srinjoy, for your inputs as well on this particular story. Let's now shift our focus now to the other important